What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, it's your boy JG. I have some exciting new leaks about Samsung's upcoming flagship phones. We have another month until the release, but already we have our first live images of the phones from the folks at SDA Developers. And for loyal Samsung fans who were waiting for the Samsung 2020 Unpacked event on February 11th to unveil the Galaxy S20 trio of flagship smartphones as well as new foldable smartphones, this is great news. As the launch date approaches, there have been images of the Galaxy Z Flip foldable phone and some renders of the Galaxy S20. But the first live images of Samsung's upcoming S20 Plus have been leaked, and they confirmed previously leaked renders about its design. So quad-core cameras set up on the back and a flatter screen has been all kind of confirmed now. So here's all we know so far about the S20. In the images of the back of the phone, we can tell that from the camera setup, it has a total of 4 cameras, a flash module, and what looks like an additional microphone hub. This might help improve the audio quality for video recording on the series, which appears to be a big priority for Samsung this time around, because the previous series really kind of lacked on that aspect of having good quality audio on the previous models. Also, something that I think is welcome change by Samsung is the fact that they decided to stop forcing Bixby on everyone. Unlike the earlier S10 series, the right side of the phone has no Bixby button. We can see only a volume rocker and a power button. In the front of the display, as the leaks reveal, there's a single front camera nested in the Infinity O display that's smaller than that on the Galaxy Note 10, which is far less curved than Samsung's previous phone models. This marks a departure from Samsung's signature of the Galaxy S series since the Galaxy S6. Samsung this time around is using 2.5 glass instead of its usual curved glass. It almost actually feels that the display is flat in the hands, similar to that of the Pixel 2 XL. For those honestly who are like me who hate the curved screens, especially when trying to find a screen protector to fit the display, this is actually really exciting. But just like previous models, the Galaxy S20 Plus will come with pre-installed screen protectors. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus would usually be considered the highest end model. That's actually not the case this year. Samsung is positioning the regular S20 to be the smallest of the bunch and adding a new ultra premium model at the higher end, calling it the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This model will likely also get a much better set of imaging tech than the S20 and S20 Plus. So the S20 Plus is expected to be in the middle of the S20 series. It will slightly be larger than the regular Galaxy S20, but it will not have the camera technology present in the higher end Galaxy S20 Ultra. This particular model is rumored to have 12 megapixels and 1.8 micrometer main image sensor. Samsung is also going to be throwing in an ultra wide, a telephoto, and macro lens. The microphone on the rear, like we said earlier, could help with Samsung's zoom in mic feature, and it could just also improve the audio quality just in general. So Samsung's decision to change the name of its flagship is apparently not only a surprise we're getting this year. The Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus are expected to launch in a few different variants around the world. The entire series will be available with both a 4G and a 5G variant, and the devices will look the same, although the US market is expected to only get the 5G model. And now I can't speak about the specifics of certain networks, but given that the device, at least in the US, will pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 mobile platform, which can be paired with the Snapdragon X55 modem, it should support the sub 6 GHz networks of Sprint, AT&T, and T-Mobile. And since we expect the phone to launch on Verizon as well, it's likely that the device is going to pack a millimeter wave antennas to support Verizon's millimeter wave network. And outside of the US, the phone is expected to pack the Exynos 990. Whether or not the S20 launches in other parts of the world with 5G capability, honestly all depends if the networks support 5G yet or not. To conclude, I'm really excited about the new Samsung flagship and what the future holds in 2020 with 5G. It's interesting enough, no one has heard anything about Apple making a 5G compatible device. At any point, make sure to be subscribed and hit the notification button to be notified when we upload more leaks or when we attend the Samsung Unpacked event on February 11th, so you can know more about the S20 series and the new foldable phone coming from Samsung. Stay tuned, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.